Hi there. So let's talk about hand sanitizers and making your own with OnGuard from doTERRA. I'm a hand sanitizer lover for what it does. I hate the smell of chemicals. I don't like it at all. So I make this, keep it in my purse, and use it all the time. In fact, today we're going to a cheer competition, and in everybody's bags, I've made one of these. So what you need doTERRA OnGuard. You need some aloe vera gel. You need a metal or glass little spray bottle. Actually, I picked these up at the dollar store, believe it or not. And some water. So that's it. So I won't go into the benefits of OnGuard because it's unbelievable, and I believe we've already done that. Fantastical. So now, let's talk hand sanitizers. My daughters love them. In their preteens, they found them at these beauty stores. I hate the smell of them. The chemicals make me frightened as to what they're putting on their body. So these are a great answer. This is a 4-ounce bottle. For the girls, I use a 1 ounce and I just cut the recipe. So let's get going because this is super quick. I do 1, 2, 3 squirts, which is the same as 3 teaspoons of an aloe vera gel. And then I want to go into my OnGuard, and I'm aiming for about 20 drops. And this is straight from the doTERRA blog. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And that's pretty much 20. Straight from doTERRA blog, you can find this and many, many other do-it-yourself recipes. It is as easy as this, and it gives me a lot of pleasure to know that what's in the kids' backpacks, and also myself, because I gotta tell you, I get on a plane and I spray everything down with this. It's not offensive to anybody else, and it's clean. Sometimes I'll add in, my one daughter loves the orange, so I'll add in some more wild orange so it smells like that for her. Or, you can go ahead and add in whatever you want. Give it a shake. And again, you can buy these bottles on Amazon, online, anywhere, and they're not expensive. And then you just give it a spray. OnGuard. It's beautiful. I hope you guys do this and enjoy it.